Hello, hi dear students, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss trigonometry, short answer type questions. In this session, the first question we have to discuss, this is very important for 4 marks. Prove that sine power 4 of pi by 8 plus sine power 4 of 3 pi by 8 plus sine power 4 of 5 pi by 8 plus sine power 4 of 7 pi by 8 equal to 3 by 2. You have to prove that. So consider LHS. Consider LHS. Sine power 4 pi by 8 plus sine power 4 of 3 pi by 8 plus sine power 4 of 5 pi by 8 plus sine power 4 of 7 pi by 8. After writing that step, wherever 3 pi by 8 is there, we can write it as pi by 2 minus pi by 8. See, after taking LCM, it will becomes 8 is the LCM, 2 4s are 4 pi minus pi, it will become as 3 pi. Similarly, 5 pi by 8 can be written as pi by 2 plus pi by 8. Pi by 2 plus pi by 8. After taking LCM, anyway 4 pi plus pi will come, that is 5 pi by 8. Next is 7 pi by 8, that can be written as pi minus pi by 8. These are the very important things. Wherever 3 pi by 8 is there, you have to replace with this value, 5 pi by 8 and 7 pi by 8. Now substitute these values. Sine power 4 of pi by 8 plus sine power 4 of, in place of 3 pi by 8, you have to write pi by 2 minus pi by 8 plus sine power 4 of pi by 2 plus pi by 8 plus sine power 4 of pi minus pi by 8. After completing of this step, sine power 4 of pi by 8, sine of pi by 2 minus theta. Sine of pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. Sine of pi by 2 minus theta equal to cos theta. So it will becomes cos power is 4, no? So cos power 4 pi by 8. Sine of pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. Cos theta whole power 4. That means cos power 4 of pi by 8. Next, sine of pi by 2 plus theta. Sine of pi by 2 plus again cos theta. So here cos power 4 of pi by 8. Again theta value is pi by 8. Next, third one, sine of pi minus theta. Pi minus second quadrant sign is positive, but whenever it is even multiple, same trigonometry function will come, sine theta. So sine power 4 of pi minus pi by 8 means sine power 4 of pi by 8. Observe that sine power 4 pi by 8, sine power 4 pi by 8. 2 times of sine power pi by 8. cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 pi by 8, 2 times of. So we can write it as 2 times of sin power 4 pi by 8 plus 2 times of cos power 4 of pi by 8. So 2 times of sin power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 pi by 8 from here. How to do that? So 2 times of sin power 4 theta can be written as sin square theta whole square. So we can write it as sin square pi by 8 whole square plus cos power 4 pi by 8 can be written as cos square pi by 8 whole power square whole square. After writing of this step, we have to apply this formula. A square plus B square equal to A plus B whole square minus 2AB. So where A equal to, according to this step, A is sin square pi by 8, B is cos square pi by 8. So now, which is equal to A square plus B square. So we can write it as A plus B whole square. So sin square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8 whole square. A plus B whole square is over minus 2 times of AB. A value is sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, that value is 1. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 from identity. So this value goes to be 1. So twice of 1 square. After that, here sin is having square, cos is also having square. I want to get in the form of 2 sin theta cos theta. So minus 2 is there, no? So 2 square, 1 multiplying and dividing by 2. Sin power sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. 1 square means 1, which is equal to twice of 1 minus 1 by 2. A square, B square, C square means ABC whole square. We can write it as 2 sin pi by 8 into cos pi by 8 whole square. After that, 2 sin theta cos theta. We have formula. 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So it will becomes 2 times of 1 minus 1 by 2 sin 2 times of pi by 4 pi by 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So which is equal to, we can write like this one, 2 times of 1 minus 1 by 2 sin pi by 4. Square is there, no? I forgot. So sin pi by 4 whole square. What is sin pi by 4? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square. Which is also equal to 2 times of 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. So 2 times of 1 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 2 times of 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 1 divided by 4, which is equal to 2 times of 3 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are, which is equal to 3 by 2. Required RHS. Slowly you can do that. From there it is easy. Here we applied the sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. We know that. Substitute and simplify. We'll move to the next question. The next question. Prove that cos square pi by 10 plus cos square 2 pi by 5 plus cos square 3 pi by 5 plus cos square 9 pi by 10 equal to 2. So first pi by 10 and pi by 5 in this common thing. That value first you have to calculate. See there, pi by 10. Pi means 180 degrees divided by 10, which is equal to 18 degrees. Wherever pi by 10 is there, 18 degrees you have to replace. This is the first thing. Second one, pi by 5. So 180 degrees divided by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are. So 36 degrees. Now wherever pi by 10 is there, 18 degrees, pi by 5 is there, 36 degrees, we have to replace in LHS. First consider LHS. Cos square of pi by 10 plus cos square of 2 pi by 5 plus cos square of 3 pi by 5 plus cos square of 9 pi by 10, which is equal to cos square pi by 10 means 18 degrees, cos square 18 degrees plus cos square of 2 into pi by 5 means what? 36 degrees plus cos square of 3 times of 36 degrees plus cos square of 9 into pi by 10 means 18 degrees. Cos square 18 plus cos square 36 2s are 72 degrees plus cos square of 36 3s are 108 plus cos square of 18 9s are 162. After reaching of this step, 72 nearby the value 90, we can write it as 90 minus 18. Similarly, 108, it is also nearby 90, but it is exceed 90. So we can express as 90 plus 18. 162, it is nearby 180, 180 minus 160, 180 minus 18, we can write it as. So, cos square 18 plus cos square 72 can be written as 90 minus 18 plus cos square 90 plus 18 plus cos square of 162 is 180 minus 18. We know that 90 minus theta. First cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. Next we have to apply cos of 90 plus theta. Cos of 90 plus theta minus sin theta. Why? Because in second quadrant cos is negative. Next cos of 180 minus. Cos of 180 minus theta minus cos theta. Second quadrant. So these are the things I am going to apply there. Cos square 18 plus cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta whole square. So sin square 18 plus cos of 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Minus whole square is there. So we can write directly sin square of 18. Why? Because minus sin 18 whole square, it will become plus. Even here also cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta whole square. So minus cos 18 whole square is cos square 18. So cos square 18 plus cos square 18. 2 times of cos square 18. Plus sin square 18 plus sin square 18. 2 times of sin square 18. To take common, cos square 18 plus sin square 18. We know that from identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Since cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So by using this identity, this bracket value goes to be 1, which is equal to 2 into 1, which is equal to 2, which is required RHS. Hence proved. We'll move to the next question. So the next question, prove that sin pi by 8, sin 2 pi by 5, sin 3 pi by 5, sin 4 pi by 5 equal to 5 by 16. Consider LHS like previous problem, every problem. Consider LHS. Sin pi by 5 into sin 2 pi by 5 into sin 3 pi by 5 into sin 4 pi by 5. In previous question we discussed that pi by 5 equal to, in terms of degrees, pi by 5, 180 degrees divided by 5, which is equal to 36 degrees. So now, wherever pi by 5 is there, you have to replace with 36 degrees. So, sin 36 degrees into sine of 2 into 36 degrees into sine of 3 into 36 degrees into sine of 4 into 36 degrees, which is equal to sine 36, sine of 2 into 36, sine 72 degrees, sine of 3 into 36, sine 108 degrees, 108, sine 4 into 36, 144 degrees. 36 into 4. So now we can write it as 72 and 108, which are nearby 90. So 72 can be written as 90 minus 18. 108 can be written as 90 plus 18. In the similar way, 144 can be written as 180 minus 36. 180 minus 36. So, sin 36, sin 72 can be written as sin of 90 minus 18. Sin 108 can be written as sin of 90 plus 18. Sin 144 can be written as sin of 180 minus 36. So, here once again I will write the formula. Sin of 90 minus theta, cos theta. Sin of 90 plus theta, cos theta. Sin of 180 minus theta, sin theta. So, by using these three formulae, these three terms we are going to write now. So, sin 36, sin 90 minus 80, cos 18. Sine of 90 plus theta, cos theta. So cos 18. Sine of 180 minus theta, sin theta. So sine 36. We observe that sine 36 into sine 36, cos 18 into cos 18. So now sine 36 into sine 36, sine square 36, cos 18 into cos 18, cos square 18 degrees. So we can write it as a square b square. No, both values are having square. So now we can write it as sine 36 degrees into cos 18 degrees whole square. Now we will write the values of sine 36 and cos 18. What are the values of sine 36 and cos 18? Sine 36, square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 4. Similarly, cos 18, same value but plus. Cos 18 degrees equal to square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. So now these two values we have to replace there and then substitute. So which it will become square root of 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 4 into square root of 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4 whole square. In the numerator you observe that a minus b into a plus b within root, which is equal to 10 minus root a into root b, square root of 10 square. 4 into 4 is 16 anyway denominator. Root a into root b, root ab. In that 10 minus 2 root 5 into 10 plus 2 root 5. 10 square minus 2 root 5 whole square. Whole square. So which is equal to square root of 100 minus root 5 whole square. 2 square is 4. 4 into 5, 20. Whole square by 16. So which is equal to root 80 whole square means 80 by 16 whole square. So which is equal to, they are asking to prove that result as 5 by 16. So this is root 80. So we can write it as 80 divided by 16 into 16. Root 80 whole square by 16 square. 16 into 16. 16 ones are 16 fives are. So which is equal to 5 by 16, which is required RHS. Therefore, the value of conclusion step, if you want, sine pi by 5, sine 2 pi by 5, sine 3 pi by 5 into sine 4 pi by 5 is equal to 5 by 16. Hence proved. We'll move to the next question. The next question. Prove that cos square 76 plus cos square 16 minus cos 76 into cos 16 equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So here consider LHS. Consider LHS in the solution. Cos square 76 degrees plus cos square 16 degrees minus cos 76 degrees into cos 16 degrees, which is equal to cos square 16 can be written as 1 minus cos square 76 degrees plus cos square 16 can be written as 1 minus sin square 16 minus cos 76 degrees into cos 16 degrees. After that, why we are writing cos square 16 only in terms of sine? To get the formula form, we are making like this, we are doing like this. See here, we know that formula cos square A minus sin square B equal to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. So where we have to apply this formula? 1 plus cos square 76 minus sin square 16 degrees. In this step you have to apply this formula. Minus, here multiplying and dividing by 2 times of cos 76 degrees into cos 16 degrees. This bracket value is in the form of 2 cos A cos B. Even 2 cos A cos B formula also there. 2 cos A cos B means cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So these two formulas are very much required in this step. You remember that, dear students? This is very important steps. So now proceed applying the formula. 1 plus cos square 76 minus sin square 16 can be written as cos of 76 plus 16 into cos of 76 minus 16. This step was completed. Minus 1 by 2 into, keep bracket, 2 cos A cos B, cos of A plus B, cos of 76 plus 16 plus cos of 76 minus 16. 1 plus cos of 76 plus 16, cos 92. 6 plus 6 is 12, 7 plus 1 plus 1 into cos 60 minus 1 by 2 into cos 92 degrees into cos 60, plus cos 60 degrees, which is equal to 1 plus cos 92 degrees into cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into cos 92 degrees, minus into plus is minus 1 by 2 into cos 60 degrees, which is also equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 into cos 92 degrees minus 1 by 2 into cos 92 degrees minus 1 by 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So plus 1 by 2 cos 92 minus 1 by 2 cos 92 get cancelled. The remaining terms 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. 4 into 1 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, so 3 by 4. They are asking to prove the result 3 by 4. This is required RHS. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. Thank you all. Maths with Panindra.